In this video, you'll learn how to open an account with VELL in just a few minutes. First, click the link on screen or in the description below to start your registration. You can also complete your registration on the VELL app with the same steps. Next, enter your email address and password. Make sure you have the access to the email address you register with. Enter the code to verify your email. Then, enter your phone number to continue the registration process. Next, enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your phone number. In this page, enter your full name exactly as it appears on your identification document. Now, set up your 6-digit passcode to help keep your account secure. Congrats! Your VELL account has been successfully created. Now, click Update Details to complete your verification and unlock all features. Enter all the required information here, then click Verify Identity to continue. To complete your verification, you'll need a mobile device to scan the QR code and continue the verification process. Now, complete the verification process using your mobile device. Once your account has been verified, you'll have the option to create a business account as well. Not sure which account is right for you? If you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs to send or receive payments related to your business, then you should choose a business account. Click here to create your business account. You can easily switch between your personal and business accounts anytime based on your needs. In the next video, you will learn how to open a business account with VELL.